Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class we will solve another Java problem. So let's get into the class. Now I will write the problem statement. So user need to take an user input and user need to take an array of size and user need to store n user inputs in the array and finally user need to find the minimum element in the array. So user need to find the minimum element in the array. So how can you find it? So for example, I hope you understand the problem statement, but I'll give you the example. For example, I'm having n is equal to 5 and we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the minimum element? What is the minimum element? So minimum element equal to 1. So you have to find it. You have to find it. So you have to tell this one is the minimum number in this user inputs. So I hope you understand. Let's write the code. So I'll write import java.util.start. And here I will take scanner s is equal to new scanner system.in and in nan is equal to sc dot next and I will take array and I will take array is equal to new int of size and so as we know, right, for to take array, you have to write int square brackets array equal to new int square brackets of n. So this specifies the size. So now I will give the user inputs which will store in the array. So I'll go until n. So I will go until n here and I will give I will store each value in the array by using array of I is equal to c dot next int. So we have stored the all elements in the array. So now I have to traverse on the array. I have to traverse on the array. I have to traverse on the array. So I have to traverse on the array. So 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 I will take here a variable called a result. Variable called result. So here I will take AR of 0 as the minimum number. AR of result or you can take minimum number here. So minimum number. So I will take AR of 0, like the first element. The first element I will take it as minimum element. The first element I will take it as minimum element. So if so min is AR of I is less than min none. So I hope you understand. So I'm checking if AR of I is less than minimum. Like if I'm taking minimum num is the num is the variable and I'm storing AR of 0 is the minimum number. I'm assuming that AR of 0 is a minimum number. AR of 0 is a minimum number. And after that, I'm comparing this array. So AR of I. So for when I is equal to 0, I will check whether that number is less than minimum number or not. And after that, when I is equal to 1, I will check AR of 1 value is less than minimum number or not. So if AR of I is less than minimum number, I will say minimum number is error of I, error of I. So I hope you understand. So if error of I is less than minimum number, so I'm assuming this is a minimum number, and if I find less than the minimum number, what I'm assuming that number, if I find less than that assuming number, then I will change that minimum number to the error of I. So I hope you understand. Just I will print the minimum number. That's it. Simple. Sorry, minimum. No, that's it. Just click on run. Now I'll get 5. I will give 5 here. Sorry. Okay, now it's working. Yeah. So here I will give 2, 3, 4, 1, and 6. So what is the minimum number in this? What is the minimum number? So first I will take 0. 2 is the minimum number. 2 is the minimum number. So then I will check our whole array. Is there any minimum number? Yes, 1 is less than the what I'm assuming like the minimum number is less than the assuming number. So I will change the minimum number 2 to 1 now. So this condition will change it. So I hope you understand. Like I'm taking minimum number a of 0 is 2, right? So after that I'm checking is there any number which is less than the minimum number or not. So here I will check all like all the rest of the numbers. Here it finds the minimum number than the assuming number. So then it will change the minimum number to the is minimum number to the current number, the current minimum number. So let's see, or I can write like this. The minimum number is run this program again. 5, 2, 4, 5, 1, 3. So the answer is 1. See, we got the minimum number is 1. The minimum number is 1. And I will run this program again and I will give another numbers. Another set of numbers 6, 25, 54, 63, and 58. So what is the minimum number? 6 is the minimum number. See, we got 6 is the minimum number. So I hope you understand this problem. And if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.